In this video, I will show you how to create a project using Visual Studio. So open Visual Studio, like create a new project, select console application, click on next, select the project name. So I am choosing the first project, click on next, select runtime 5, create. So here is our first program, hello world program. So I will, so let's run it. So it prints the hello world. So this is how we can create the project using Visual Studio. Okay, so let's explore this project. Okay, so using system that is .NET referenced uh, namespaces. This is our namespace. Program is the class name, and main is the method name, or we can say that this is the entry point in the application. A console.write line, it print the value on console. Okay. So .NET reference namespaces, classes, methods, and like static methods we will discuss later. And in the next video we will work on namespaces. Okay, thank you.